There we go.
Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Dim siwgr, paned.
Dim
Neis.
siwgr.
Joio.
Croeso nôl ato ni. Wan ta, wyt ti'n barod am dy wers?
I saw the television screen. Fi'n barod.
Ti'n barod,
Fi'n
da
barod
iawn.
am wers.
Wel, da iawn.
Diolch.
Nawr te, ein gwestai nesa ydy Isaias Grandis, enillydd cystadleuaeth dysgwr y flwyddyn 2012.
Da iawn.
Nawr te.
Zeia.
Mae e'n dod o Cordoba yn yr Ariannin, yn wreiddiol, ond rwan mae o'n byw yn Rhefelin ym Mhatagonia. Dechreuodd o ddysgu Cymraeg pan oedd e'n 15-15 mlwydd oed.
Oh, right, okay.
A nawr mae e'n dysgu Cymraeg, mae'n dysgu hanes Cymru, a mae e'n dysgu twristiaeth. He teaches tourism as well.
Da iawn.
A mae eisiau agor ysgol ddwyieithog. He wants to open a bilingual school, or start a bilingual school, Cymraeg a...
Spaneg.
Spaneg, indeed.
No way.
Now, Ten, you were going to be the one asking him the questions.
Well, we are. We're going to... Don't leave me on my own.
I won't leave you on your own. I won't leave you. But let's have a look at some of the patterns,
And
shall we?
Gymraeg a Spaneg.
And Gymraeg. We'll just concentrate on the Gymraeg, I think, shall we? Okay.
Yeah.
So, if we look at the screen, ble. O ble wyt ti'n dod o le yn y gogledd? O le? O le. It sounds a bit Spanish,
Spanish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ble wyt ti'n byw? O ble wyt ti'n dod? Or o le wyt ti'n dod?
Okay.
Yeah, we can ask him that then. Moving on. Beth wyt ti'n neud?
Beth wyt ti'n neud is where... What do you do?
What do you do?
What do you do?
Yes. And beth ydy. We've heard beth ydy. Beth ydy, what is? Beth
What
ydy,
is?
dy waith di?
That is, what is your work? What do you do for work?
Yes. O ble wyt ti'n dod? So ask me, where do I come from?
Ble wyt ti'n dod?
O ble wyt ti'n
O
dod?
ble wyt ti'n dod.
Good. What do I do? Ask me, what do I do?
Beth wyt ti'n neud?
Beth wyt ti'n neud? And what's your work?
Beth wyt ti'n neud dy waith?
Beth ydy dy waith di?
Beth ydy dy waith di?
Yes. So we can use these patterns. You're familiar with some of them, and you can choose either ble or ole. It depends, you know, just...
Okay.
You can decide yourself which one you
They're
want to do.
kind of simple, easy ones to get us started, aren't they?
Ers pryd, screen die, if we look at screen die, ers pryd, since when? Ers pryd, or for how long? Ers faint.
Ers faint?
Yeah, ers
For how long?
pryd.
They're very similar, aren't
They're
they?
very similar, yes. Ers pryd, since when? Ers faint, for how long? Okay, ers pryd wyt ti'n dysgu Cymraeg?
Ers pryd wyt ti'n dysgu Cymraeg, that is. How long have you been learning Welsh?
Exactly. Ers faint, well, ers, since, 2010, look at that.
2010.
2010, yes.
The 2010s, and they're so confusing.
It's really difficult.
I've spoken to a lot of people who are also learning Welsh, and they find numbers and dates very difficult
It
to
is
master.
difficult. Now, 10, we're going to screen 3, ble wnes di.
Ble wnes di.
Yeah, you like the wnes di, don't you? For the past now, ble wnes di, okay? Sut wnes di. So, pam wnes di. So let's go back to the first.
Okay, ble.
Ble wnes ti, where did you, ble wnes ti, followed by a soft mutation.
Dysgu Cymraeg?
Ble wnes ti ddysgu Cymraeg.
Ddysgu Cymraeg.
Yes.
Ddysgu, yeah.
Ble wnes ti ddysgu Cymraeg.
Okay.
Yes. Sut, how? Sut wnes ti ddysgu Cymraeg.
Okay.
And pam wnes ti.
Why?
Yes,
Interesting
why?
question, that.
Interesting.
I get asked that all the time about learning Welsh. Why?
Well, yes, why?
Yeah.
Achos, why?
Dwi'n Gymro. Yeah, you think, actually, you know, I just want to. It's no big deal.
But it's interesting to ask, Isaiah.
It's a good question,
It is a good question.
Pam nes ti?
Yeah, pam nes ti ddysgu Cymraeg. So are you pretty happy with the patterns now?
I need tipyn bach o'r amser I ymarfer.